Hello everyone. So in today's video, I am going to show you how to prevent our app from taking screenshots, or we can do this from for a particular screen too. I will also show you how to prevent screen recording, how to keep the screen on, or we can say we can prevent that from going to sleep mode. So let's start. This is the fresh program that I made. First thing we have to do is we go to pub.dev, or you can get this link from description and copy this package. We have to add this in the YAML file. So go to YAML file and paste it here and save it. It will get the package. If it does not get, you can run flutter pubget. That will be okay. Package is here. So now we can start. So remove all the things and start with 0. Start material.dart and void the main function. Run app. Name it my app. Stateless widget. Name it my app. Okay, so now we will return the material app. Now we will make a first home page. So click on this lib and make a new home page. Home page. Import material.dart. Stateful widget. Home page. We will return a scaffold from here. First, let's give it first app bar. Title. This will be text. Name it secured app. Again, center it by center title true. Okay, now work on body. We can give it. We will just give a simple center tag here. It expects a child. It will be simple text like screen is secured. We can give it a simple style, text style. Colors, we can give colors.green. Colors.green. Then we can simply give a font size 20.0. Now the screen is ready. Now we have to work on preventing the from screenshot. So go to state and make a function secure screen. Okay, now we can go here on this and go to readme file and copy this. Paste it here. This is await, so we have to make it async. So we have to import this as well. Flutter window manager. This will auto import this, so it is here. So now we can call this on init state. Init state. Call it. And done. This flag will protect the screen from taking a screenshot or recording video. We have some more flags too, but first let's run it and check it. Before that, we have to call it here home page. This will also auto import it like this, auto imported. Let's turn that debug mode false. Okay, so now let's run it. Flutter run. Okay, it is going to open soon. Okay, it is here. So now see carefully. I'm going to take a screenshot here. Could not save a screenshot. You can see. See, taking a screenshot is not allowed by the app or your organization. So you can do this for a particular screen, or you can, if you wanna do this for a particular screen, you can do like this. Or if you want to do the same for whole app, you can call this function on material app like here. So there are many flags. We can see the documentation. See this. This is for full screen. We can turn hide this notification bar and turn to full screen. There is one more. Keep screen on. Let's copy it and copy this line. Wait. Copy this line and paste it here. Run it. So this will this will prevent the app from going to sleep mode. Let's restart. This will not show any effect, but yeah, it will prevent this app from going to sleep mode. So let's see one more. This full screen mode. So this will remove this. Copy one more time and paste this flag here. You can see this here. Restart and see this. It is made full screen. So you can try multiple flags here according to your need. So try it. If you get any confusion, you can drop that in that comment section, or you can connect with me on Instagram too. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe because I'm going to post more videos here. Till then, bye.